Hi folks, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com. Got a question for you. Do you love food from all over the world? Are you a sommelier in training? Then you need to check out EPCOT's International Food and Wine Festival. But before we get into all of that, if you haven't done this already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notified of the new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. EPCOT is known for its festivals, and this is the most popular one. From late summer to fall, this is the Food and Wine Festival. This festival is held in the World Showcase with over 30 kiosks representing different countries. Here you can sample food and drinks that allow you to sample the world. But what if you're a foodie on a budget? You'll have access to dozens and dozens of foods, some of which you've probably never heard of, let alone tried. Because they're all sampler sizes, the price point is much less than you'd pay for a full entree at the EPCOT restaurants. As a result, you can potentially sample several dishes without breaking your bank. Check out this guide to saving money and making the most of EPCOT's Food and Wine Festival. Okay. Here's a little tip. If you just show up at EPCOT and pick up everything that looks tasty, you'll end up spending all of your cash before seeing half of what there is to offer. The reality is that tons of things will look great, but you can only get a few if you want to stay within a budget. Simple solution? Have a plan. Take a look at this comprehensive guide to the food booths at the Food and Wine Festival. There are more than 30 booths, most of which have 3 to 5 different foods available. That's up to 150 choices. Make a list of the ones you don't want to miss and then plan your route accordingly. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is to assume that everyone needs their own order of your most anticipated foods. Not true. While they are not entree size, almost all of the foods available include enough for several people to get a taste. If you find one that's incredibly delicious, remember, everyone can go back and get a second helping if they're so inclined. Always start with a single taste and then adjust accordingly as needed. If you're traveling with other folks who want to take part in the Food and Wine Festival, take a look at your must-try booths to see if they're interested in them as well. If you match up on many options, then it may be worth it to visit together and share dishes. On the other hand, if they're only interested in a few that you're interested in, or vice versa, you may not come out ahead. For example, if you get 15 dishes and they try them all, yet they only get 4 dishes, you'll have given away quite a bit of food and not gotten much in return. There will be many exciting new drinks at Food and Wine, and you may be tempted to try them all, but you want to limit your alcohol purchases for 2 reasons. 1, the alcoholic drinks will cost much more than the food items. 2, the more you drink, the more likely you are to loosen your purse strings. The best part of this festival is that it lasts the longest for several months. Also, it is included in your day ticket, so you can go more than once with a multi-day ticket. Remember to add this to your Orlando vacation. Be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, we'll see you at Food and Wine. Save me some food and some wine. Bye.